Okay, so I've gone into one of my videos and I've just removed the end screen stuff. So when you get to where you're going to put in the end screen for the video, um, your maximum allowable is 20 seconds. So you can just grab this bar here and move it. As you move it, you'll see that the video over here is changing to follow exactly where you are. So you can just move it until that window is shrunk down. So if I move it back again, see how that's like full screen? And then my little animation shrinks it down. So when you get to that point, then you just leave that there. And then you can move your stuff around. So like I've already got one built. It just automatically brings in what I used last time. But if you're doing this from scratch, for instance, I know you've already got a couple in there, but actually I think yours kind of looks kind of like this one here. So you had like something like that and you over like this, but you see how I can just grab this. This is called your subscribe button, right? So if you look over here, when this is selected, you'll see it says subscribe and where that's going to. So in your case, it'll be your site. So you can just grab this and you can line it up on top of that yellow disc. And then you take this and you slide it off to the right as far as it'll go. So the way I designed my system was so that everything will fit. So then you can go in here, and right now it's set to best for viewer, right? That's one of the ones that I use. So and then you can add another one. So you hit the add element and you can add a video or playlist or another channel. But in this case, let's do another video. So we would select video, and then we take this one that it popped up here and we move it down under the other one, like so. With that selected right here, it's got set to most recent upload, but you could come down here and choose specific video. And then it'll pop up a list of your videos. So you can just go down your list, find the video, or you can actually go over here where it says search for other videos. So you click in that box and then you can just put in a description of the title. Like you can actually type in the title and then it'll go out and try and find it, and then you can put that in instead. So I'll just close that. So now it's back to most recent video. You can actually resize these. So if you want to make these a little bigger, you can do that as long as they don't interfere with each other. But I just leave them the default sizes. So that's how you move stuff around and lay it out to go with the way I've designed this. If you guys get into DaVinci Resolve, I can actually make one of these for you guys. And you'll be able to, and then I can teach you how to actually use it on your end sequence. So I just want to show you a couple other things. If you look down here, you can actually take one of these individual ones and you can change the timing. So if you don't want them all going the full 20 seconds, you could take, say, one of these video ones and you can drag this bar down so you can have it show up later. So if we actually move this, you'll see this no longer showing. But if you move this, if they're actually playing the video, then when you hit that spot of time, it shows up. So just kind of shows you the flexibility of it. And when you're all done, then you just hit save. And now you've set up your end screen. So I'm obviously, because it's my video and I don't want to mess stuff up, I'm just going to hit discard changes. But that should do it for you. Now let's touch quickly on subtitles for that subtitle file that I sent you. I've already got subtitles on this, but if you don't have subtitles, you'll get a different screen. So it'll ask you if you want to type it in manually or upload your own, and one other choice. So you're going to select upload your own, and then it's going to have another screen that comes up and asks about timing or something else. Just choose whatever is defaulted. and then it'll let you upload that caption file. And when you've got that uploaded, it'll show up something like this, and then you can just hit done. And now you're set up so that when somebody turns on closed captioning, then the words will show up on the screen. I think that's got it. Let's see if this works for us.